What's up, you guys? It is Mariah and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, I'm so excited that you're here. And if you are new here, definitely go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so that you can be notified when I post a new video. On my channel, I talk mostly about Disney planning tips and tricks because I am a travel agent specializing in Disney destinations. So go ahead and subscribe for that. And of course, I post a lot of fun Disney content too, like mystery pin unboxings and just Disney mystery unboxings in general, which is today's video. And I'm so excited for this unboxing because I had to try out this subscription service, this box, guys, because everybody and their mama is doing this. So I was like, I don't want to feel left out. I don't want to have FOMO. No, but so you already know from the title, today is a Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes unboxing. Try saying that 5 times fast. Bet you can't do it. But yeah, so basically the subscription service is, from what I hear, amazing. And what I love about them is that they have boxes for all different price points. So I got the fantasy box, which I believe is $59, excluding shipping. I think it's $59, and it's supposed to have at least 5 items in it ish. But you could also put on your preferences that if you want a smaller number of items but still maintain the value of the box. So yes, so that's what I love about them. Very affordable options. I believe their cheapest one is like $39, so that's really good for a Disney subscription service. I believe they're one of the very few that allow all of these different price options, because I know that's it can be an issue with some subscription services that it's just not affordable for a lot of people. And so this subscription service definitely is affordable. If you want a little bit of Disney magic sprinkled, given to you, sprinkled on your life, you know, when you're not at the parks. So we're just gonna go ahead and get into it. Y'all have already seen this box, but just look at all of the cute little so I haven't opened it yet, and I probably should have because I suck at opening things. Actually, this is pretty easy to open. Okay, it's pretty simple. Okay, pretty simple. Wow. And I might keep this box because it's gorgeous. I might put all of the notes that I get from you guys in there. So the first thing I see, first of all, the first thing you see when you open this box is, first of all, this purple tissue paper, because that's my favorite color. But okay, so it says, with all these little confetti, well, not confetti, but these little star shiny things, it says, go on and dig a little deeper inside your Bibbidi Bobbidi box. And it has Mama Odie on it from Princess and the Frog. I love Princess and the Frog because Tiana, me and her are besties. You might just find something magical. Tag us in your unboxing. When you find out who you are, you'll find out what you need. Blue skies and sunshine guaranteed. That is so true though. Anyway, so that's so cute. And of course, as always, if you don't know, they always have a spoiler alert. If you can kind of see right there, it has Pooh and Piglet on there, but it says spoiler alert, packing slip enclosed, and it gives you all of the items in your box and their retail value, which is nice, so you don't have to add everything up. So we're just gonna go ahead and get into it for this video. Yeah, before this video gets long. So I'm gonna peel back the purple, and there's nothing sticking out, which, okay, I'm a little nervous, guys, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so I'm just gonna peel back a corner, and okay, I see one thing, so I'll just, I think it's, okay, I'm just gonna pull it out because I'm tripping. Guys, it's so funny because I was like, when I go to Disney, I was already starting to make my souvenir wish list for my next Disney trip, and this was on my list, so I don't have to take it off. If you know me, what is the name of my channel. It tells you one of my favorite Disney movies, one of two. So you already know what I'm about to pull out. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Why am I so excited over a pair of ears? Because I wanted these so bad. Jasmine is my favorite princess. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, well, can I actually, you know what guys, we're just gonna, okay, even though it doesn't match my shirt, which is perfectly okay, these don't hurt my ears, those kind of do. Oh my gosh, look at them. It's got the magic carpet as the bow. I can't even handle it. You can't either, so there we go. You can't handle it. So I'm gonna wear these for the rest of the video. I'm so glad I have them, so I don't have to worry about getting another pair when I go down. Okay, anyway, so I know these are like almost $30 already, so okay, I see something in here. You guys. Okay. Oh my god, it's a Loungefly item. Whoa, I didn't get the Ultimate Magic box, which normally comes with a designer item, and Loungefly is a Disney like designer item. They sell a lot of high-end quality Disney stuff, so look at this pouch. So my other favorite movie is, as you can tell from here, is Lion King. It's got Scar. Gosh, it's got Mufasa and Sarabi, Simba and Nala, the hyenas. Wow, all of them. Timon and Pumbaa, Zazu. Wow, like, that's crazy. I think that's Mufasa anyway. I could be tripping, or it could be Big Simba, I don't know. But yeah, wow, guys. So basically, I love little bags like this. Like, I can put anything. I use them for packing various things. They will have use, I promise you. Yeah, it's just a regular stripe pattern on the inside, but I love this. This is my first Loungefly item, guys. I don't own any Loungefly items, so but I'm so excited, y'all. Okay, I probably will put like maybe chargers or something in here, or battery stuff, camera stuff. Oh my god, that was great. Oh my goodness. Okay, so oh my gosh, there's more stuff in here. Okay. Okay, so I'm pulling this out. Let's see what this is. Oh my gosh, is this a keychain? No, stop it. I love keychains, but this is freaking crazy. Okay, let me, y'all, I have to take this is gonna drive me crazy if I don't snip the, like, whatever that is. Okay, you guys, look at this. So it's a teacup, but it's a keychain. No way. No way. Like, and it's got this, you know, the little clasp thing right here. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah. Wow. This is creative. I'm super excited about this. I'm gonna put this with all my other Disney keychains. I love it so much. Thank you, Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes. You guys are knocking it. Like, okay, so the teacups, I just have special memories of, like, my dad spinning the teacup around because I couldn't spin it. I was like too weak and whatever when I was really little. I was like, Dad, spin the cup, spin the cup. I don't get nauseous over spinning and stuff. I know a lot of people don't ride it because, you know, they get nauseous. That's not me. I'm like, spin it faster. So yeah, thank you guys. That is awesome. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think this is the last item. You guys, this, oh, actually, no, it's not. It's like a little thing, but okay, actually I'll show this first. It is, I believe, is this a sticker? I think it is, but it's a little sticker that says Hakuna Matata, and it has little Simba, Timon, and Pumbaa. I would definitely use this for something for sure. I love Disney stickers and stationery, so that's cute. The last item, oh my god, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is a Brito item. So I have another Brito item that I opened in another Disney mystery unboxing before. I'll try to link it above, but it's of the unboxing. But I got Sledding Mickey, and Brito is known for, like, they're really colorful figures. And so it says Disney Showcase Collection, you guys. So now I have 2, which is awesome. That's really cool. Okay, I'm trying to get it out so I can show you guys. I'm like the worst at this. Okay, hold please. Okay guys, like, I can't even handle how cute this is right now. Like, whoa, can I stand this up? Yes. Okay, so you guys, it is freaking Minnie. Like, look at that. Look at how colorful she is with her little bow and her little shoes. I hope you can tell. It's kind of small, but you can tell from the palm of my hand. But oh my god, it's so cute. It's so cute. Look at that. Look at her little shoes. It's just like, it's just so adorable. So adorable. Oh my gosh, I am just like, so I can put this on a desk, which is awesome. That's probably what I'm going to end up doing. I'm going to be moving soon, so oh my gosh, I love it. It's already going to find a place on my future desk, my home office. That's exactly where I'm going to put it. So thank you so much, girls over at Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes. This was like really awesome box. Like, I love, one thing I love about, and from what I've seen from other unboxings as well, is that all of the items that you get are quality. Like, none of them are filler items. Like, you know how some boxes will put like little things in there that you don't really care for, just to say that, you know, they put something in there and to increase the value of the box. Like, they actually put stuff in here that is like usable for you, and it's customizable for you. Everything is customizable with them, so you can input your preferences and what you like and what you don't like. So that is freaking awesome. So I love this. So I got like 2 designer items basically, this and the pouch, which is awesome. And like, even just the sticker, like, it's my favorite Disney movie. So, and who can forget these freaking ears and the freaking keychain? Like, I am just, that's insane. That's insane. So wow, thank you guys. So I'll open the spoiler alert thing, since that's everything, I believe. And so it says Disney Parks Jasmine Ears, retail price is $27.99. The Loungefly Lion King zipper pouch is $10, retails for $10. The Disney Parks Mad Tea Party teacup keychain is also $10, which is crazy. I don't think I would pay $10 for that much for a keychain, but I'm glad I got it in this box. And then it's a decal. The Hakuna Matata thing is a decal. That's $2. And then the Brito item is retails for $24. So the total retail value of this box is $73.98. So $74 basically. And only paid $59 plus the shipping, which I think came out to like, it would come out to like I think it's like $7 of shipping. So what's that? I can't do math, guys. 66 maybe. But also somebody's coupon code. So I actually I literally only paid like $58 with the coupon code. So pretty good for me to only pay $58, and I got $73 in retail value, or 74. So I'm in love with these ears so much. Oh my god. Can't wait to match them up with everything. Oh my god, I love it. Thank you guys so much at Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes for my box. I absolutely loved it. I likely won't do this every month just because I have financial goals I'm trying to reach, but definitely will be doing it here and there. And one thing about them is you could even switch over to a smaller box, so I might do that. Maybe I'll do that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Please let me know in the comments below what your favorite item was that you saw that I unboxed. I just love, honestly, I love everything, and I have a use for everything, which is awesome. So, and if you've ordered a Bibbidi Bobbidi box, let me know what your experience was and how you, what was your favorite item that, you know, you opened and all of that. So I think that's it. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. If you like me doing unboxings, give it a thumbs up, please, so that I know to maybe do some more. If you really enjoy them, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you do want me to do more unboxings, subscribe. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one, and as always, I hope y'all have a magical day.